In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trello to manage client work. Start by opening Trello and logging into your account. Once you're in, go straight to creating a fresh workspace for your client tasks by clicking Create Board. When Trello asks for a board name, type Client Project Tracker, then click Create. This gives you one central board where you can organize client projects from first contact all the way to completion. Now it's time to build the structure of your workflow. Click Add List to create your first column and name it Leads. This list is a great place to keep potential clients, new inquiries, or projects that haven't started yet. After that, click Add List again and create a second list called In Progress. This is where you'll keep active client work that is currently moving forward. Then click Add List one more time and create a third list called Completed. This final list helps you clearly separate finished work from everything that still needs attention. With your list set up, you can begin adding actual client jobs or projects. Click Add Card under the appropriate list, usually starting in Leads if it's a new project. Enter the client name or the project title, then press Enter to save it. Each card acts like a single task or project file, so keeping the title short and clear makes your board easier to scan later. To add more information, click on any card you've created. Inside the card, you'll see a description area where you can enter important project details, notes, next steps, or any context you need to remember. This is useful because it keeps key information attached directly to the project instead of scattered across different tools or messages. If other people are involved, you can also add members to the card. This helps assign responsibility and makes collaboration easier, especially if a teammate is handling part of the work. Then set a due date so you always know when the project needs to be completed. Due dates are especially helpful for staying on top of deadlines and avoiding last-minute surprises. As the project moves forward, simply drag the card from one list to another. For example, move it from Leads to In Progress when work begins and then to Completed when everything is finished. This drag and drop system makes Trello very visual, so you can understand the status of your client work at a glance. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Once you follow this setup, you'll have a simple client management system that's easy to update and easy to review. The key is to keep your board current by moving cards as soon as progress changes. That way, Trello becomes a reliable snapshot of your entire client pipeline, and you always know what's waiting, what's active, and what's done.